worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This red finger for people like them. Oh, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
Really, thank you. You did so much for me. I would have worn myself out. I would have put this on tomorrow if I had to bring all the stuff over. No, I really appreciate you doing I'm so blessed to have you so much.
I wasn't really ready for the fall. I wasn't going to start doing things until about close to the end of September, but I've been watching a lot of videos and really soaking things in, trying to come up with the way that I want to design my home this year for the fall. But in all actuality, I'm not going to buy anything new. I said that, but I just bought a swag. I didn't mean to, but it was just so beautiful, and it was 30% off. But I'm going to use what I have, and basically what I have pretty much dictates how I'm going to decorate and design. One of the reasons is some of the things I left as it was. Like, I made a lot of bows, and when I put them away, I put them away as bows. So there you go. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to be just looking around and figuring out what I want to do. I think I'm going to start with the kitchen, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing in here, okay? Bye for now.
I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This red finger for people like them. Oh, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you making me glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in